For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. The debate about nepotism in Bollywood hasn't yet stopped. The nepotism debate that reignited after Sushant Singh Rajput's death has been getting a new participant every day. The latest to join the list is filmmaker R. Balki. R. Balki has made films like Padman, Dear Zindagi, English Winglish, and many more. In a recent interview, when Balki was asked to comment about the ongoing debate of insiders versus outsiders in Bollywood, the filmmaker gave a very controversial statement. Balki challenged to find better actors than Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor and then talk about nepotism in Bollywood and the partiality done among the actors. The question is, do they, that is star kids, have an unfair or bigger advantage? Yes, there are pros and cons, but I'd ask one simple question. Find me a better actor than Alia Bhatt or Ranbir Kapoor and we'll argue. It's unfair on these few people who are probably some of the finest actors. This one statement by R. Balki raised many eyebrows, and hashtags with names of actors Alia, Ranbir, Rajkumar Rao began to trend on Twitter. All these hashtags were calling out R. Balki and enlightening him about the outsiders who dared to enter Bollywood and have proved themselves as extremely good actors. Seems like R. Balki is as dumb as it gets. Unless you provide opportunity to outsiders, how will you know? Sushant, Rajkumar, Nawazuddin, Ranveer are all better actors. Just get Ranbir to do intense role without smiling at all. We'll know. Kangana any day. But agree, Alia is amazing actor.
You should just make movies with Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt R. Balki and we would not watch them. Perfect plan. Both of them are actually talented actors. But if R. Balki has not come across better actors than Alia and Ranbir, then I feel sad for him for not being able to recognize real talent.
This time, netizens were not really disagreeing to the point that Alia and Ranbir are fine actors, but R. Balki not finding better actors than them was something that kicked off the Twitter trend. Not just the Twitterati, but filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor also reacted to R. Balki's statement. Have huge respect for you, Balki, but I just saw Kai Po Che again last night. 3 new young actors at that time and stunning believable performances by each. Shekhar Kapoor even claimed that the best actors today are coming from theatres and he even named a few. Best actors today are coming from theatre. There's newfound respect for them and confidence. I worked with Nasir, Shavana, Satish Kaushik, Seema Biswas and entire cast of Bandit Queen, Kate Blanchett, Geoffrey Rush, Heath Ledger, Daniel Craig, Eddie Redmayne, all are from theatre. Well, it is not necessary that a star kid is in movies only because he or she has a backing. For instance, people have loved Alia Bhatt's performance in films like Razi, Udta Punjab, Highway and many more. But the concern here is the fact that star kids do get opportunities easily, but that's not the case with outsiders.